Cool Kinsey, speak German, and German only. No, I can't speak German because I'm not from Germany. Oh, come on. German is easy. I'll show you. I'd rather speak English. This is unacceptable. Hey, I have the right to speak English. Like I said, I was born in Plattenburg, Germany. I speak good German. Everyone should speak German because it's my favorite language. Not everyone can speak German. Cool Kinsey, I told you to speak German. Let me do what I want. My sister, Cool Kinsey. What is wrong with you? I can't believe you speak English when I speak German. That's it. I'm sending you to Germany.